Hey everyone, Lauren Simons here, and I'm going to take you through some of the in and out power management of the EOS C700. So let's first talk about our input options. Right off the bat, we've got a V-Lock style plate on the back for brick style batteries. This takes your standard 14.4 volt battery like those built by Anton Bauer or IDX. The EOS C700 is an efficient camera, consuming under 50 watts, so you'll get some good runtime off even some of the smaller bricks. Next, we've got a 12-volt 4-pin XLR jack, which accepts a range of 12 to 20 volts. The pinout information for that connector is shown here, which is pretty standard across the board. If you're using the Codex 36150, then you also have the ability to power the camera off a 24-volt source using the 2-pin LEMO on the Codex itself. The Codex will pass power through to the camera, so you can actually power the entire setup off a single block battery. It's also important to note that the Codex comes in a 3-stud battery configuration, so it does not use the V-Locks like the stock EOS C700. Regarding input power, as a protection, when the input voltage exceeds the rated voltage, the camera will block the input. When the voltage is back within the rated voltage range, input will automatically be restored with no damage to the camera. Those are the 3 power ins, but now let's talk about some accessory power outs. First, on the front of the camera is a 12-volt 2-pin LEMO port. This is a 2-amp terminal that provides 12 volts for powering anything from a camera top monitor to a wireless video transmission. The pinout for this terminal is also shown on screen, but it's important to note that pin 1 is ground and pin 2 is power. Make sure you test the polarity of your cables before using them. Next, we have a 3-pin Fisher port. This is a 2-amp 24-volt port, so just be mindful that whatever you plug into here runs on 24 volts, like some of the older Fizz units. The pinout is also shown here, but it's important to note that pin 1 is ground, pin 2 is power, and pin 3 is inactive. Finally, we have a standard D-tap connector on the V-Lock battery plate. This is a standard connector that most of your typical accessories probably already have a cable for. With the variety of options for both powering the camera and accessories, the EOS C700 should fit right into your production environment. And remember, if you have any questions, be sure to call us at 1-855-CINE-EOS.